हे गाइस, सब्सक्राइब करें टेक्निकल पंडित जी यूट्यूब चैनल को और दबाएं इस घंटे के आइकन को लेटेस्ट अपडेट सबसे पहले पाने के लिए। Here and you watching Technical Panditji. So guys, in this video I will unbox the Boya lavalier mic. I ordered it from Amazon. This is Amazon Prime. The packing is good and this is the paper shipped by Amazon Seller Services. Return address, and this is my address right here. So now open this box. So let's cut this. I think I have to cut from this side. Wow. The paper is so sticky. I think I cut it from the wrong side. Cut from here. I cut it and now open the box. The packing is so nice, but and this is the box. Wow, nice box. And here you can see Boya written here. Lavalier microphone, micro gravate. This is the microphone, Boya BY-M1. This is a full form of this by Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. The box is so good, I like it. And this is the QR code. Boya scratch off containing, check for authentication. For smartphones, camcorders, DSLRs, audio recorders, PC, etc. So you can record your voice in your mobile, DSLR. The sound quality of this mic is very nice. The price of this microphone is written here 2899, but I ordered it only just for 1000 rupees. The link of this microphone is in description box if you want to buy this microphone. This is time for open this box. This is the lock, box lock. Now open this. Wow. And open this box. This is for hanging. If you want to hang your microphone like this. Now open this box. So this is the pouch. The quality of pouch is very nice. This is a strong pouch, not paper bag, paper pouch. This is leather pouch, and this is some manuals, notice for your smartphone. Before you plug the microphone to your smartphone, slide the switch to off smartphone. In using the microphone, do not slide the switch. इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि जब भी माइक्रोफोन को यूज कर रहे हैं तो इसका ये स्लाइडर है, इसको नहीं छेड़ना चाहिए, इसको ऑन ऑफ नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड This is the manual how to use. Some main features written here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. First, microphone, omnidirectional microphone, power pack, second power pack. Camera setting off, smartphone setting, 3.5 mm connector. This is 3.5 mm connector. This is on off switch, and this is the place to insert batteries. So put this inside. Now time to open this pouch. This is silica gel. And now open this. Wow. The cord of this microphone has great quality, and the 3.5 mm jack. This is gold plated, and this is a strap to cover this long wire, and this is the microphone condenser. And this is the microphone, the Boya microphone. I have a other microphone. I have ordered it from Amazon. Before I'll check the audio quality of both microphones. So now put this side and check the other things that we have got in this pouch. Now open this, and this is the small foam cover. This cover stops here. Now put it inside and check other things. This is the 3.5 mm to other microphone amplifiers. Mostly the high quality amplifier supports this type of plug, so we can connect this microphone from the big amplifier. Wow. Now remove this, and other thing. Wow, I got a battery in this pouch. So now open this. This is the battery for this microphone. Now time to insert the battery in this microphone. Rotate this part to open this cover. Wow. This is the hole for insert batteries in it. So now check it. This is the guide here that you have to insert battery in this type. Wow, the battery insert. Wow, the battery inserted in this, and cover it. The length of this cord is approx 20 feet, and I have another microphone. So now time to check the sound quality of both microphones. So now plug it in the mobile. So the sound quality is recorded. The sound is recorded from the old microphone that I have, and now Boya microphone. This is the slider for cameras and on off. Off means this supports smartphones, and turn it on if you want to connect your microphone in cameras. So now connect it. First I have to mount it in this clip. The clip is so hard, the crocodile clip. Now cover it from foam. I think the foam is not for this microphone. Wow, the microphone has covered. Now test this microphone. Now, so guys, the sound quality is recorded from the Boya microphone, and here you can find the difference between both microphones. This is old microphone that I have bought from Amazon, and this is the Boya microphone. So this is the full length of this microphone. You can see here in this video the length of this microphone. The cable is so long, approx 20 feet long. It starts from here and this is the full length of this vehicle, and you can see the cord is long than this vehicle. So if you want to shoot from far, you can use this microphone, and you can move here and there easily. You can attach it in your pocket like this, and the microphone you can clip it on your collar or near the button, and this condenser has a clip to mount it on your pocket. If you have any question about this microphone, so please comment in this comment box, and like the video, subscribe the channel, and share this video.